This increases running time, decreases downtime, and ensures your machines operate with optimal efficiency. You stay online, you save time, you save money. You want PRUFTECHNIK. We are here to optimize your productivity and increase your profit. We are here not only to provide the tools you need, but also to assist you in managing the optimization process. We specialize in many industries. Drill rigs, refineries, and pipelines are required in the refinement and delivery of oil and gas. We optimize the operation and efficiency of thrusters, pumps, compressors, expanders, and generators. Every component of a paper machine is critical. Every dryer bearing, every felt roll, every pump is critical to maintaining the demands of paper production. We can minimize your maintenance downtime and unplanned outages, resulting in increased production at a lower cost. We increase the efficiency of mining operations. From the drag line and haul truck to the mill, we provide remote vibration monitoring, laser shafted geometric alignment, and vibration-based condition monitoring. We are here for you. At PRUFTECHNIK, our staff and support teams are dedicated to your project from day one. We are a global company that provides great attention to detail, builds lasting relationships. We mix cutting-edge technology, highly skilled people, world-class experience, and proven German quality. From the inventors of modern laser shaft alignment, PRUFTECHNIK. We optimize your machines.